If you are planning a fireworks display and you find that you do not have enough channels, for example, you have only one firing module, there are only 24 channels, but you need more. What can you do? We have a small box that can help. This box is small, but it has 12 channels on it. You can connect this box to your firing module. Either channel of your firing module is okay. Just connect the wires from the firing module to this, to the input side of this small box. This box is small, but is functionally very powerful. You have 3 modes to fire the fireworks: F1, F2, and F4. When you are using this small box, you have 3 options. Option 1 is F1. At this mode, you can fire all the 12 channels sequentially at the same time interval. Currently, the setting is 1 second. If you want adjust it to half a second, you can do it this way. Now, all the 12 channels will fire one by one after every half second. Now I'm going to demonstrate. Fire. Now the second option, F2 mode. At this mode, you can set the time for each channel respectively. Now we set the time for the first channel. The first channel, the time interval is 1 second. Now the second channel, half a second. The third channel, 1 second. The fourth channel, 5 seconds. Now the settings are all done. As you have seen that I set different time for different channels. Now we're gonna fire all these igniters. You will see that they will fire sequentially, but at a different speed. Now the third option, F4 mode. As you can see, or that means you can fire all the 12 channels at one time. Now we're gonna fire.